my channel. So today I'm going to be doing yet another nurse scrub try on haul, and the company that I'm going to be trying today is Uniform Advantage. I do want to stop and say that everything that's in my video today, all the scrubs, I did purchase with my own money. This was not a paid sponsorship, but I am a brand ambassador for their company. They have a lot of great scrubs. The scrubs are a great quality, but these today I did purchase with my own money. I do want to stop again and welcome everybody who's new to my channel. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. For all the returning people and all my subscribers, what's up? Okay. I do want to let you guys know that on my channel I talk about nursing, beauty, fashion, hair, try on hauls. I just have a variety of a lot of stuff on my channel. So if you guys are interested in what my channel has to offer, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys do want to be notified of when I post a new video, please just hit the bell down below as well. So you guys, let me get into it. This try on today, all the pants, well, I only purchased 2 different scrubs, right? I did want to try their rose color. I think it's called Rose Water. What is it called? I think it's Rose Water. I did want to try that because I've been seeing it so much. So I was like, damn, I want to try this color. So both of the scrubs that I have today are joggers. They're 2 different type of joggers, but they are jogger pants. The shirts, they are the same type of shirt. But the colors, I really like the colors. So I have not opened up anything. I wanted to wait until I did this video to open up the scrubs. So this right here, I do want to, before I try them on, I do want to give you guys a close-up just so you guys can see the color and the material close up. And I will also be posting pictures on my Instagram channel as well. All the links to the outfits that I'm going to be trying on, not the outfits, well, the scrub sets are going to be in the box down below, the description box. So this is the first shirt that I'm going to be trying on right here. And you see the color. It's such a pretty color. It's like a light pink color, like a dusty pink. It's like dusty. It's not as, it's kind of pastel, but to me it's more of a dusty pink, and it's very pretty. I got this in a size medium. This is from their Butter Soft line stretch. So I got a size medium in the top. This is really cute. I really like the little zipper that they have right here. And I like the neckline. I just wanted to try something different. I like the neckline. So that's the first one. The second shirt is exactly the same. The top is exactly the same. It's just a different color. I got an olive color because I've never had olive. And every time I tried to purchase an olive set from a different company, I'm not going to name the company, but I never was able to get it. Like, it's always sold out. So I really did want an olive color set, so I did purchase this one, and this was the only one that I seen that really matched my pants. I seen other olive colors, but they just said olive. This was considered, it was called light olive, the color was. So I wanted them to match exactly, so I got this. And the pants that I got for the olive color one is different because around here it does have a drawstring and stretch, but I just wanted to show you guys up close the bottom of it. See, the bottom is different. I usually have a taper bottom, but I'm really interested to see how this is going to fit me. And I got the pants in a medium as well. My other pants that I got in a dusty pink color, well, the Rose Water color, I got these. And I have this. I'm used to this type of bottom, so I'm interested to see the other ones just to see how it fits. So you guys stay tuned if you want to see me trying the scrub. So this is the first scrub that I'm going to be trying on. This is the Rose Water color. I have the top in a medium. The pants are in a medium as well. These are the jogger pants. Let me start with the pants. The pants has pockets right here. It has one big pocket. It has rings to put your pins or your scissors in, and it also has a smaller pocket up at the top. On this side, it just has one pocket and then rings to put your pen or scissors in. It has 2 pockets on the side, and it's also a drawstring, which is what is really good about this is that this material is more like polyester cotton, but this at the top is just all cotton and it has elastic in there, so it fits really good, and it has a drawstring. It's no pockets in the back. This is the way that it will look if I tuck it in. Also, if you want to wear your pants put up just a bit, let me fix them. You can do that too because it's kind of fitted at the bottom, so it will fit around the bottom of your legs or your ankles or whatever. The shirt, let me move this. The shirt that I have on, this is really nice. Let me untuck it so you guys can see the way it would be if it was untucked. This is untucked. It has pockets right here and also small little pockets that go at an angle right here, which is really cute because it kind of like curves to your body right here. So under your bosoms, it's like a little curve and then it's a pocket. So it's real deep. So you can put your cell phone in there and you don't have to worry about it falling out if you're like bending over or something because it's going to catch it because it's at an angle. I like it. It has a little slit on the side. And then with this shirt right here, I like the collar of the shirt, and it also has like a zipper. So if you want to, you can zip it down, and it still has like a little piece of material right here, so you won't be showing anything too. So when you bend over, you have something to cover you up. So I thought that was pretty cool. So it looks like you have on like a little shirt under this. So this is the first one, and I really love the color. I feel like the camera does not do the color justice. It's like a really, really, really pink color. It's really cute. So this is the first guys one. So this is the next scrub that I'm trying on, the scrub set. This is both. These are the same, a medium top, a medium bottom. This color is called light olive. As you can see, the scrub pants are different at the bottom. Do you see how they are at the bottom? They're a little bit more baggier. If I would have known, I probably would have got petite just so they wouldn't be so baggy for me at the bottom because I'm only 5'3". So I really don't like my pants to be so baggy at the bottom, but that's okay. They fit really good. They have a pocket on the side right here. They also have pockets on the back, 2 pockets on the back. They have no cargo pockets, so you will have to probably rely, if you want to put stuff in this pocket, which I don't really like that because it's annoying to me. I don't like bulkiness right here. And it does have like a small pocket up at the top if you want to. You can put stuff in your pocket, but really I like cargo pockets, but it's fine. You will probably have to rely on your shirt or something like that, or wear like a little pouch if you don't like to put things in your pocket when they're up here. The shirt right here is the same shirt that I showed you in a previous set. I just wanted to show you it tucked into these pants, and around the waist the material is different. It's the same material through and through, even at the waist. On the other pants, remember I said that it had like a softer material. This does have an elastic waistband, but it's not soft material like the other one, like the cotton, like the sweater like material. That's what that's made out of. This is different. It's like polyester all the way through or something like that. So this is the way that it looks tucked out, but I really like it. These pants are really cool too. I like these pants as well. Everything is the same. The shirt is the same style, the same zipper, slits on the side, the pockets up here at the top. It's very comfortable. It's true to size. It's true to your size. You don't have to go up a size. You don't have to go down a size. Just get your true size in these 2 sets that I have because they fit your size really well. You do not have to worry about it being too small or anything like that. But yes, these are the 2 sets. I do want to thank you guys again for watching my video, for checking out my channel. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Feel free to email me. I'm going to put all my information down below. Again, I want to thank you guys for checking out my channel. Peace out until next time.